things I do need to do today, and it involves going to the farm, doing some farm work, and then also helping out at my parents' house, doing some garden work for them as well. But before we do that, there's a few errands we do need to do in town, so I'll jump in the car, I'll drive over, pick up my dad, we'll go head into town, pick up a few things from the supermarket, and then I think we're gonna head to the farm. I need to drop the car off to get it washed as well. We'll go do all the farm stuff and then go help my dad at the garden at their house. And then I think I do need to come back here and then make some videos, some short videos. So that's basically gonna be my day, a pretty simple day, but at least that's what I've written down for my plan. But to be honest, things can change pretty quickly, so I don't know how today's gonna change. So I can only plan it out so much and just write down things that I mainly want to get done today. And like I try to do this every morning as I have my coffee. I try to write down things that I want to try to do for today. I think, what time is it? It's 10:40. I think I'd ought to jump in the car now and go pick up my dad. I just got my license like 3 or 4 days ago in Korea. I've been learning how to drive for like the past 4 or 5 months in England. Don't worry, I'm not driving right now. I still haven't even set off yet. But oh my god, when you live down here, the freedom it gives you when you can drive around, it's so much better. It makes living here so much, I mean, it's pretty nice living here, but it gets so much better when you can drive as well. And the scenery is beautiful, which makes it a bit more challenging because it is easy to get distracted by everything around here. Okay, prime example of how things can just change. I'm no longer gonna go pick up my dad to go to the supermarket because the change of plans is too hot today to start doing farm work in the middle of the day. So my parents are gonna come by, pick me up, and we're gonna go to Goseong, which is like half an hour away, and there's a market there. So we're gonna go to the market, and so this will be like a market vlog, I guess. Pick up all my stuff again. Back home because my parents are going to be by in about half an hour to pick me up. So instead of waiting at home for like half an hour, I'm just going to go to our local cafe. It's called the Yuja Cafe, which is yuzu, and it's actually really nice, and I think they're open. Go get an iced coffee. That's it there with the yellow roof, and all these trees behind it are yuzu trees. Anything yuzu flavored at this place is made with their own yuzu, so really delicious. 안녕하세요. 지금 커피 돼요?
아, 커피 좀 해드릴까요?
네. 저 아이스 아메리카노 하나 좀 주세요.
아이스 아메리카노 한 잔.
네.
네, 색깔 거예요?
네?
먹고 갈 거예요, 이어서.
네, 근데 포장컵으로 해주세요.
포장컵.
강아지 이름 뭐예요?
라떼.
노인애들 이거 봉사활동하고 다니고 그거 낳았는데 사회복지학과 낳았는데 아무것도 할 줄은 몰라. 그냥 어르신들 그냥 케어하는 거 외에는.
아 예.
그래가지고 이런 것도 하면.
stuff make 된장. Oh, and they've got this type of meju as well, right? They've got this type of meju as well,
계랑 메주.
like whole bean. I don't like that much. Is it season right now?
시즌이야.
여기 간장 소스도 다 들어가거든요. 싱거우면 찍어 드세요.
여기다 넣을래?
네, 감사합니다.
We need to go ATM.
안녕히 가세요.
감사합니다.
이제 엄마 줄게.
It's gonna be loud.
소니야, 구수하다, 누룽지 같다. 좀 살래?
It's nice, yeah. So I want to make kombucha.
어?
For kombucha.
이걸로? 네? 내가 현금 가진 한 개도 없어서 카드밖에 없어.
What does head mean?
Head mean is a fresh new one. Like not last year one, this year.
Oh.
물이 없잖아.
이거 다 가격이 어떻게 되나요?
Dad. Dad. Hat umbrella. It's a hat. Oh, it's a hat.
아니 춥진 않아요. 다음에 와서 먹을게요. 그래?
Extremely windy outside, so we're not going to be able to do any work outside on the farm because I need to pull out that plastic, but cannot pull that plastic up in this wind, so I guess we're just going to be doing stuff inside the greenhouse today, which I might say is looking very nice. The car is finally clean and it's really nice and clean. I just got back from the farm, couldn't do much because it's too windy. Went and bought some more soju because I'm going to do some more soju infusing. It's not a huge bottle like it was last time. This one's only 1.8 liters, but it's still 30%. Some sugar and then another jar, which only costs like 2,400 won, which is like probably like just over $1. But we're home now and I'm going to film some TikToks, Reels, Instagram Reels and shorts and stuff. That's the plan for the rest of the day.